Hello, listeners. You are welcome to this CDC podcast. My name is Bridget Ifeanyi-Ameme, and here with me is Mr. Godfrey Ifeanyi. Today, we'll be talking about the importance of exercise. Exercise helps people lose weight and lower the risk of some diseases. Exercising regularly lowers a person's risk of developing some diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. Exercise also can help keep your body at a healthy weight. We know that exercise is important in our daily lives, but we may not know why or what exercise can do for us. Exercise has many benefits, which include exercise increases energy levels, it improves muscle strength. Exercise can help you to maintain a healthy weight. Exercise improves brain functions. It is good for your heart. Regular exercise reduces your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Exercise enhances your immune system. Exercise may help to reduce the risk of certain cancers. Exercise improves your mood and gives you an improved sense of well-being. Exercise can help prevent and treat mental illnesses like depression. Keeping fit can reduce some of the effects of aging. All these benefits of exercise will help us to live healthy and strong lifestyle as we participate in regular exercise. My dear listeners and friends, I encourage you to participate in regular exercises to avoid all unwanted illness as mentioned. And as you do this, you see that your health will improve. You become stronger than you have ever been. You will grow to rightful old age. Your immune system will function very well. As you keep fit, you help your blood to flow normal. Your heart will function in a proper order, and then your health will blossom. All these are the benefits of exercise as you participate in it. Thank you so much for listening.